Hi Darryl, my name is Tony Finley from Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for contacting me on the 2015 Genesis Coupe. I have the exact one here in red that you asked about. As you can see, it has the wraparound lights, fog lights, has the aluminum wheels here, has the flashers on the side mirror. This vehicle also has the proximity key with the push button start. Step inside. This is a 6-speed with cloth interior. You have your stereo control, cruise control, and your Bluetooth here on your phone. This vehicle has automatic headlights, AM/FM radio with the single CD. Also, you can program it here. This has automatic temperature control, and you got all your gauges here. This is a 6-speed here, and you have your multimedia points there. As you can see, it has beautiful black cloth interior. Has a beautiful spoiler on the back. Darryl, I'd like to thank you for contacting me. Now you can reach me on this vehicle at 205-380-6250. Or hit me on my cell in case I'm around here on the lot speaking with a customer at 205-335-3988. Now Darryl, this vehicle has a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, and a 5-year, 60,000-mile roadside assistance. But here at Tameron, we give you another 10 years on the powertrain, another 100,000 miles on the powertrain for a total powertrain warranty of 20 years, 200,000 miles. Once again, my name is Tony Finley, your preferred salesman. You can reach me here at the store at 205-380-6250 or on my cell at 205-335-3988. Take a look at the Genesis.